Hello students, I welcome you all to the online classes conducted by KVS RO Jabalpur. I am Radhika Thakur, PGT English from Kendra Vidyalaya, Seedhi. Today I would like to teach you a writing skill which is report writing. Report writing is a 10-mark question asked in the class 12th question paper. So to begin with, what is a report? A report is a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem. It is an expression of a person's experience. It is a commentary of incidents as seen by the reporter. It can also be an analysis or evaluation of something. So students, as we know that a report describes an event or an occurrence which has already happened. A report is written by a reporter and is his or her own experience regarding the situation. It is written in the same sequence of events as is seen by the reporter. So, what is the purpose of writing a report? Reports are written to create awareness among readers and to give voice to social problems. Reports also help in solving them through concerned authorities. So students, reports are written about a function or an event which has already taken place. So, it helps the concerned authorities to know about the social problem and it also helps them to solve them. Students, in class 12th, reports are mainly of two types. First is newspaper report, which involves reporting about accidents, and second, report is on events and functions. Suppose an accident has taken place and a news article has to be written about it. So, a report is written in order to tell the people or make them aware about the situation. In the same way, if an event or function is organized, reports are written to tell people about how the function was conducted and what were the activities or events in that function. Students, there are certain points which we should keep in mind while writing reports. A report should present all the necessary information as clearly as possible. A report should give all the information regarding which it is written. It should also be written in a practical manner. Now, while writing a report, we have to use indirect speech and passive voice. A report is written in third person, and while writing a report, we should avoid using the pronouns like I, me, or you. When we write a report, it should include details of what, when, where, why, who, how. The reader should get the answer to these questions like what happened, when it happened, where it happened, why it happened. The entire report should be an eyewitness account of the incident. The aim of the report and the source from where it is obtained should be mentioned in the beginning of the report itself. It should have a proper heading. A report should have a heading and should be written in simple language, which is easy to grasp. A report should be written in several small paragraphs. While writing a report, students should adhere to the word limit. Report writing, when asked in the paper, has a word limit of 150 to 200 words, as it is a long answer question. So, students should remember to write the report in the specified word limit only. So, students, what are the value points that can be used in an accident report? Newspaper reports which involve accidents should have the following value points. That is, when we write a report on an accident, we should write what happened, where it happened, how it happened, when it happened, why if the cause is known. You can also write a people's account about the incident and the vehicles involved. Loss of life and property should also be covered. The entire report should be an eyewitness account of the incident. While writing a report, the details of the accident site should also be given. After the accident, what rescue and relief operations were conducted, it should also be written. Details of casualties, the number of people dead, injured or hospitalized should also be written in the report. Further, after the accident, what action was taken by the police, whether an inquiry was ordered or not. In case compensation is given to the family of those killed or injured. This happens in cases of train accidents, flight mishaps or natural calamities. The government announces a compensation for those killed, so that can be written. In case it concerns the question, warning, recommendations and the action required can also be mentioned. Now we come to the value points to be written in a report on events or functions. First of all, we should write about the type of function or its name, the occasion, the date, time and place when the function was held. The name and designation of the chief guest should also be written when the report is developed. Objective and main highlight of the program should be written. In case in an event inauguration has taken place, it should be written. Description of the event. The entire event, how it was held, should be mentioned. It can also have chief guest's address, prize distribution, if any, and towards the end, vote of thanks, and the conclusion of the function or the event, and comments about the quality of the program conducted. Students, the marking scheme of report writing is: format has 1 mark, which includes the heading and the writer's name. Content 4 marks. Expression 5 marks. Expression also includes grammatical accuracy, appropriate words, spellings, coherence and relevance of ideas. The ideas should be logically developed. The sentences should be well placed as the events took place. Now, To begin with, how to write a newspaper report. First of all, there should be a headline. Every news article has a headline to attract the reader, to catch the attention of the reader. The headline must be catchy, something which attracts the attention of the reader. It should be brief. Articles and prepositions, if possible, should be left out in a headline. Next is byline. Since this is a news article, you need to let the reader know who wrote it. The line is called byline because it tells by whom it was written or by the reporter. The name of the reporter comes in byline. Write the word by followed by your name, that is the name mentioned, staff reporter and the name of the newspaper. Suppose like we are writing for Times of India or the Tribune, we can write the name of the newspaper. On the next line, the name of the city is written where the incident took place and the date is there. The date is also written there. Leading lines usually answer the questions who, what, when, where, why and how. It tells the reader how the incident happened. In the report, we can also include some quotes from the eyewitnesses' comment. We can also describe how they felt about the incident. Suppose there has been a train accident. We can take into account, while writing a newspaper report, the eyewitnesses' account of the incident. A brief description of the future course action to be planned should also be given. We should always remember that we should use simple, clear, but formal language while writing a newspaper report. Now, we will write a report and see how it is written. The question is, Rishikesh is popular in India for its river rafting. A well-known river rafting guide gets drowned in the river while saving 9 Mumbai tourists. Write a report to be published in a local daily covering this rafting mishap. The word limit is 150 to 200 words. So first of all, we will write the heading. Rafting guide drowns after saving 9 lives. From this heading, we can make out what the report is about. Then we have the byline. By Ashish Singh, staff reporter, The Indian Express. Then we have the place, Dehradun, and the date, 1st July, and the year. A rafting guide drowned in the Ganga river near Rishikesh after saving 9 tourists. All were residents of Delhi. So this sentence tells us about the incident, where it happened and how many people were involved in it. He was familiar with the river, having more than 20 years of experience of the swift flow of the river in Rishikesh. However, his heroism cost him his life. The mishap occurred at about 1 p.m. last Friday when the raft carrying the tourists turned turtle while going downstream in the river. All the 9 tourists was saved by the 40-year-old Ramesh Kumar as he physically dragged them away from the fast swirling water. So, this is the description of the mishap. He managed to reach the last tourist to the shore, but collapsed and fell into the river, again due to exhaustion. By the time bystanders came to rescue, water had gone into his lungs, causing asphyxiation. He was rushed to the government hospital in Rishikesh, where doctors tried to revive him, but to no avail. After trying for an hour, they declared him dead. Ramesh, who was a well-known rafting guide of the area, had been a guide for 20 years. Government has ordered an inquiry into the mishap and has announced a bravery award for him. So this is the action taken by the government. He will always be remembered for his excellent devotion to duty. Now we will discuss another question based on report writing. The question is, you recently attended a workshop on creative writing that was conducted by Scholastic India Private Limited. Write a report in about 150 to 200 words for your school magazine giving details. You are Rajesh/Ranjana of Kendra Vidyalaya, Jabalpur. So now we have a question on an event which was conducted. So again, to begin with, we have the heading Creative Writing Workshop by Ranjana, Class 12th A. Now again, when we begin writing, we should be able to answer the questions why, what and how the event was conducted. So, a creative writing workshop was organized in Kendra Vidyalaya, Jabalpur, for the students of class 5 to class 12th on July 20, 2020 by Scholastic India Private Limited. So this line tells us about the event which was conducted. The resource person was Miss Rakhi Sharma, a renowned writer, poet and educator. So this tells us about the person who was the resource person in the workshop of creative writing. It was an enriching session for the children where they learned different skills to improve their creative writing. So now we can develop the report and write the various activities which were held for the children. So we continue. The workshop helped the children use classic techniques of storytelling to write fiction and non-fiction. So students, as we see that it is a creative writing workshop, we can write about both fiction and non-fiction. It was divided in 6 sessions. So as we develop the report, we continue writing the activities which were held in the event. Session 1 dealt with story structures in fiction and notification writings. Session 2 was on plot. Session 3 included narrative design and voice. Session 4 was based on chapter and dialogue. Session 5 focused on setting, and Session 6 on establishing the writer's routine. So here we see all the activities which were held in the creative writing workshop are discussed in the report at length. Each and every activity which was held is described in the same sequence as it happened. Now we come to the concluding paragraph of the report. The students had a wonderful time attending the workshop. They wrote their own stories and also some non-fiction pieces. So here the report describes how the students felt after they learnt the various activities, which were story structures, notification writings, plot, narrative design, etc. We are also told how they learnt to write their own stories and some non-fiction pieces. So this is how the entire workshop was conducted. The principal of the school, Shri K.K. Nagpal, thanked Scholastic India and Miss Rakhi Sharma for the wonderful learning experience that the students had. So this is the concluding paragraph. So the Thanksgiving, which is also known as vote of thanks for the resource person, and the experience of the students is also described. Now, if a prize distribution ceremony or certain competitions were held for the students, that could also find a place in the report and could also be entered in the same paragraph. Now students, I hope you must have understood the way to write a report. Now we have the home assignment. In order to promote the book reading habit amongst school children, your school organized a book week. During this week, a number of exciting activities, including interaction sessions with eminent authors, took place. As head boy, head girl of your school, you were actively involved in making all the arrangements. Write a report for the local newspaper in 150 to 200 words. Another question, which is based on report writing on an event. You are Kirti/Krish, the cultural secretary of your school. Your school celebrated the 50th anniversary of its foundation. Write a report for your school magazine in 150 to 200 words on the celebration of Founders Day in your school. So students, just a recapitulation. You should be able to write about the event, when, what, why, and how it was organized. And you should write the ideas logically for the report. So with this, I end my session. Thank you.